चलिए सुनते रहिए, ध्यान से केवल सुनिए। नाउ रेस्पिरेशन इन प्लांट्स, plant exchange gases through stomata in the leaves, and at the different places the respiration takes place at the different ways by taking the oxygen, the direct diffusion process. The large intercellular space ensure that all the cells are in contact with the air. That means direct diffusion process takes place at the outer surface of the plant cell. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged in and out of the cell by the process. That process is known as simple process, that is diffusion process. Diffusion is directed by environmental conditions and the requirement of plants. The respiration takes place in the root, in the stem or in the leaves. In the stem, the exchange of gases takes place through the lenticule. In the root, direct diffusion process through the root hairs. And in the leaf, there is a small pore, that is a stomata present on the lower surface of the leaf. Through the stomata, the plant takes oxygen, takes carbon dioxide during the photosynthesis. That means exchange of gases takes place through the different pores at the different place of the plant in the different form. Sometimes lenticels, sometimes stomata, sometimes direct cells are involved in the diffusion process. During night, in the absence of sunlight, photosynthesis do not take place, and hence carbon dioxide is released, but not used by the plant in the night. So in the night, plant release carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. During the day, there is no carbon dioxide release, because the released carbon dioxide is used up by the plant for photosynthesis. During the day, plant also produce carbon dioxide, but that carbon dioxide not released in the atmosphere. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है?
आ रहा है सर।
आ रहा है ना, तो सुनिए, ध्यान से सुनेंगे आप लोग तब ना। माइक्रोफोन लगा लीजिए, हेडफोन लगा लीजिए। During the day, and there is no carbon dioxide release, because the released carbon dioxide is used up by the plant for photosynthesis. The production of carbon dioxide takes place in the day, but that carbon dioxide not released from the plants, that are used in the photosynthesis. Oxygen is released instead of carbon dioxide during the day. Now respiration in animals. In aquatic animals, rate of breathing is fast due to less amount of dissolved oxygen in plant. In water, those organisms which live in water, that is aquatic animal, where the less amount of oxygen present in the water, due to the less amount of oxygen dissolved in water, so the rate of breathing is fast. In the aquatic animal, like in fish, fishes take in water through their mouth and force it to the gills, from where the dissolved oxygen is absorbed by plant, by the blood. Now the terrestrial organisms use atmospheric oxygen. We are the terrestrial animals. The organisms which live on the land are known as terrestrial animals. Terrestrial organisms use atmospheric oxygen. Aquatic organisms use oxygen which are dissolved in water, and different animals use different organ for breathing. We use lungs, gills, fishes use gills. Other organisms use different respiratory organs. Some organisms the highly vascularized skin, and in the other organism like insect, there is hook lungs, trachea, air holes, and so on. The surface of the organ is very fine and delicate and placed within the body. Passages are there in the body which takes the oxygen reach air to area of respiration.
हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कीजिए सर।
कौन बोल रहे हैं? अपना नाम बताइए। कौन बोल रहे हैं? आए तो शुभम जी, आप अच्छा से किताब पढ़ के आइए और कुछ ध्यान से सुनिए, कुछ वर्ड मीनिंग लिखिए। पूरा हिंदी में कैसे होगा? हल्का हल्का हिंदी में समझाने के लिए हम लोग नहीं है, ऑनलाइन हम लोग का जा रहा है। सुने, ऊपर वाला पदाधिकारी सुनेगा कि द साइंस टीचर यूज हिंदी। वी आर नॉट authorized to teach you in Hindi if human lungs, in the human beings lungs is the respiratory organs. Lungs contain a residual volume of air during the breathing cycle. Respiratory pigments, which is the respiratory pigment in human being? Hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment present in the body, take up oxygen from lungs and transport to all the cells of the body. Hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment of human beings present in red blood cell which has high affinity for oxygen. अब सुनिए, जिस आदमी में हीमोग्लोबिन कम होगा उसको ऑक्सीजन बॉडी को कम मिलेगा। ऑक्सीजन कम मिलेगा तो एनर्जी कम मिलेगी, एनर्जी कम मिलेगा तो वो वीक हो जाएगा, कमजोर हो जाएगा। देयरफॉर हीमोग्लोबिन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द हेल्दी पर्सन। इफ द हीमोग्लोबिन इज नॉट अप टू मार्क, दैट मीन्स एट द एवरेज लेवल, दैट मीन्स बॉडी इज वेरी वीक। Hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment of human beings present in the blood cell, in the RBC. Hemo and globin. Heme is the iron, globin is the protein which are attached with the RBC, red blood cells, red blood cell corpuscles, and erythrocyte is also known as, which are high affinity of cell. Oxygen, it combines with oxygen and carry the oxygen from lungs to the different part of the body. As carbon dioxide is more soluble in water than oxygen, so it transported mostly in the dissolved form in our blood. Now this is the respiratory system, human respiratory system. Nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx. Larynx is the voice box, bronchioles, trachea, lungs, and alveoli. It consists of the nose, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, alveoli. Bronchioles then divide into many alveoli, a balloon-like structure, a bubbles-like structure present in the lungs, where the exchange of gases takes place, are site of gaseous exchange. Bronchiole, alveoli is the site for gaseous exchange in the. This is all of the respiratory system of human being. आया समझ में आप लोगों को कुछ है? हेलो, अब देखिए मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस इन द एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट। क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है? क्या अगला नहीं आ रहा है? रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम ह्यूमन बीइंग का